how to find your watch history on TikTok. In this video, guys, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can find your watch history on TikTok. So go ahead and open your TikTok app. When you open your TikTok app, click on the profile section showing below your screen. Go ahead and click on that. When you click on that, I want to click on the three line menu showing above your screen. Click on that. When you click on that, I want you to click on where it says settings and privacy, guys. Go ahead and click on that. So when you click on settings and privacy, look for where it says account center or activity center rather. So let's look for where it says activity center. Okay, here it is, guys. So go ahead and click on the activity center. So when you click on that, here you're going to be finding your watch history, your comment history, and your search history. So you can go ahead and click on the watch history. If you want to delete it, you can go ahead and click on the select all watch history and delete it. So you can go ahead and delete your entire watch history. So if you want to check out your comment history, you can go ahead and click on that. As you can see, I've never commented, so it's not showing any comments, but if you commented, it's going to show there. So your search history as well, as you can see, I don't really use this account, so I don't have any search history. So this is how to find your watch history on TikTok. So I hope this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to support the channel.